Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell your products directly on Instagram? In this quick guide, I will show you how to set up your Instagram shop in 2025 step by step. Let's get started. Before setting up your shop, here's what you need: a business or creator account on Instagram, a Facebook business page, a connected Meta business manager account, products listed in a commerce manager catalog. If you don't have this yet, pause here and set them up. Next, connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. For that, go to your Instagram account. Go to your Facebook page. Then go to settings. Then linked account section. And click on Instagram and connect account. Now go to Meta Commerce Manager, search for business.facebook.com/commerce. Then choose your checkout methods: Instagram DM, website checkout, or Facebook Instagram checkout. US only. Select your Facebook page and Instagram account, link or create a catalog with your products. Add products manually or sync with Shopify or WooCommerce. Add high quality photos, prices, description, and links. Then click next. Once your catalog is ready, submit your shop for approval. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Make sure your business complies with Instagram's commerce policies. Once approved, you can start tagging products in your content. Just tap tag product, then choose from your catalog. Tag up to 5 products per image or 20 per carousel. You can also tag products in Reels and Stories. When users tap the tag, they can view product information and buy directly. You can customize your shop layout from Commerce Manager. And don't forget to check insights, track clicks, views, and purchases right inside Instagram or Meta Business Suite. And that's how to set up your Instagram shop in 2025. Once you are approved, selling becomes seamless. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more social media tips, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on Facebook shops or syncing with Shopify next. Thanks for watching and see you soon.